So guys, my sister and I have decided to do planting this year, and please watch our video and comment below what you think and ideas to improve our garden. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like, and also press the share button if you do like it. We're gonna plant these plants. This one is mine and this one is my brother's. We put the seed in the soil 3 weeks ago. It took 4 days to come out, and now it's 3 weeks old. Wow. And we water once every 2 weeks.
Yeah, you could water the gem, it's okay. It just won't give you another gem, that's all. So don't hope for a new gem.
At school, yeah, we did this fundraising thing called the CFA event. Yeah, and it was for Easter. And it was to raise money for the school. Yeah. So they were selling these things, they were selling like food and toys and all this stuff. And we went to this place where my teachers they were doing this thing where you decorate some plant pots. Yeah, and she said you're allowed to take them home, and you can. The plant is leaking. You're allowed to keep the gems inside.
So you decorated this one, yeah?
I was gonna put a happy face on mine, but the happy face came off.
Okay.
So now we're watering my plant, and also our plants are tomato plants, and we'll make another video to see what will happen when we put them in the garden to grow. So these are chili plants, and they were planted about 6 weeks ago, and now they're just under 5 weeks old, and 12 of them were planted, but 8 of them died because they are really sensitive. So I'm going to water the 4 that did survive. In 2 weeks' time, we're going to plant them in a bigger pot in our garden. So now we're doing my plant, and of course you should remember, or you might not. So now, if you remembered, we had planted our plants, and they were only a little bit tall, but now they're a lot taller than before. So now we've put them in the garden.
Okay.
So our plants have been in our house for a month, and now it's mid-May. So yeah, we'll be planting them in the garden, and now we've already done it. Yay! Hooray! Success! We have succeeded.
Okay, get more soil and put it around, Shahran.
Where is the soil? Mummy, what is that black stuff on my plant?
What? It's just soil. The wind blew the soil all over.
Can we water our plants today?
Yes, we can water it now.
Yay!
Not yet. Let's finish this off.
These are the chili plants we planted, and 4 of them were alive while the rest died. And we put them outside because the weather's improved and it's more sunny, so they'll grow better. And they're all here. And here, a few weeks ago, another little one grew, and we put it in the pot with the other ones, and it will hopefully grow soon. And hopefully these will grow big and strong and give us lovely chilies. It's so much taller, I know, right?
than your sisters.
A bit smaller. Actually, way more smaller.
So we had the seed in the
Just
soil
look, it's
for
like 3 plants.
nearly 2 weeks, and then it grew, and then we had it in the house for about a month, and now we're planting it outside.
Mummy, where did you get those bamboo sticks from? What did you get from the bamboo bush?
No.
I've got right over there.
What, this one?
Yeah, that one.
I think we did get a few, but the actual bamboo stick came from B&Q.
These are my brother's child plants, and they've been growing for a year now, and he grew them at school, and he took them home during the summer. We use the chive to garnish our food and salads, and they taste really yummy. So guys, this is my plant, and it's been here for a week, and we use it to make lemonade. We add some sugar, some lime, and these mint leaves, and then some lemonade, and we make better lemonade. And first we grew them at our nanny's house for 2 weeks, and then we put them in this pot so that they can grow better, and it makes very nice and refreshing drinks for the summer. And these are the onions, and so they've been growing for 2 weeks.
Yeah, and we can add them to salads and things like that. It'll taste really nice. And
Thanks guys for watching. Please support us by pressing that subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. And also give us some comments. So now, bye bye.